Excel files are called workbooks, and each workbook contains one or more worksheets. Understanding this structure is the foundation for organizing business data cleanly separating. For example, raw data from calculations from final reports. Workbook versus worksheet. A workbook is the file itself, xlsx. Think of it as a binder. A worksheet, or sheet, is one page inside that binder, a single grid of rows and columns. A workbook can contain many worksheets, all saved together in one file. This matters because a single workbook can hold an entire process: raw data on one sheet, calculations on another, a summary dashboard on a third. Everything stays linked, so updating the raw data flows automatically into the dashboard. What a workbook contains. Inside a workbook, you can hold multiple worksheets for different parts of a process, data tables, structured ranges of information, charts, visual representations of your data, formulas that pull data from one sheet into another, pivot tables, slicers, and other analysis objects. Working with sheet tabs. At the bottom of the Excel window, you'll see the Sheet tabs. From here you can add a new sheet with the plus button, rename a sheet by double-clicking the tab, reorder sheets by dragging tabs left or right, color tabs to group related sheets, for example, blue for inputs, green for outputs. Right-click a tab for options like Move, Copy, Hide, and Protect. Naming convention tip. Use short, descriptive sheet names without spaces or special characters. Sales. Jan is easier to reference in formulas than January sales data. Consistent naming makes your workbooks easier to maintain and share. Try this. Create a new workbook and save it as Sales Report, xlsx. Add 3 worksheets and rename them: January, February, March. Then color the January tab blue, February green, and March orange so they're easy to find at a glance.